Hello there, Wildcats. Today we'll be discussing about perpendicular and angle bisector. So our target today is we have to use a perpendicular and angle bisector to solve a problem. So one of the vocabularies that we'll be using is equidistant. The word equidistant. Okay, so let's jump into the first two theorems that we have here. The first theorem is perpendicular bisector theorem. It says there, so I'm going to read and quote it. If a point is on the perpendicular bisector of a segment, then it is equidistant from the endpoint of the segment. So in this illustration, if line L, this is the line that cuts your triangle so that you have two triangles, and that line L is perpendicular to the base of the triangle. Therefore, the value your px is equal to py. So this side here is automatically congruent to py as long as your base angle, because line L cut your segment xy into two equal parts, so you have your xq is congruent to yq. Therefore, you have your px is congruent to your py also. The second theorem is the converse of the perpendicular bisector. Now, when we have a the bisector cuts your you cut your triangle here, and it says there that your px is congruent to py. It also will tell us that xq is also congruent to yq. Then your pq is perpendicular. Okay, so we'll apply this theorem in solving this two problem. So what is the value of AD? So we are looking at this one. This is our problem. Okay, and based on the theorem that we have there, okay, because BC, BC is congruent to DC because both of them is equivalent to their measure is 11. Therefore, AB, AB is also equal to AD. Thus, the measurement given 6x minus 10 and 3x plus 2, we have to find the value of x there. So AB is 6x minus 10 is now equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, I'm going to subtract 3x both sides, minus 3x. This will give me 6 minus 3 is 3x minus 10 is equal to 2. Then I'm going to add 10 both sides. Thus 10 here will be cancelled. So I have 3x is equal to 12. Okay, 3x is equal to 12. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So we have x is equal to 4. Because x is equal to 4 and we are looking for the value or the measurement of your segment AD, we have AD is 3x plus 2, and I'm just going to plug in 4 to the x. So 3 times 4 plus 2, which is 12 plus 2, is equal now to 14. Therefore, the measurement of segment AD is equal to 14. Okay, so that is an application for the first theorem. Now, the converse now is that it's easy. Because segment EH, segment EH or side EH is congruent to or equal to segment GH. Therefore, this is 90 degrees. So the measurement of FG is as easy as 6 because segment FG is 6 because FE, segment if FE as given is 6, therefore it's also 6 from there. Okay, so that is a perpendicular bisector. Next theorem is the angle bisector, meaning your angle bisector, it's dividing your your angle into two equal parts. Okay, if a point is on the bisector of an angle, then it is equidistant from the two sides of the angle. So in here we have BD is congruent to CD, because it only your angle bisector, because the opening of it will be depending on the opening here. Okay, it will be depending on the angle. So if this two angle here, because AD bisect angle BAC, so this angle here is congruent to this angle, therefore their openings here also will be congruent, which is that is BD and CD. Now let's apply that to this example here. So because this one are congruent, therefore KL is also equal to ML. So I'll just plug that in. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 4x minus 11. Mister, is that always if that is that always the case on this one? Yes, because we have the theorem there already. So combine like terms. So I'm going to maybe subtract 4x both sides, so that your x will be on the left side. So this will be cancelled. That is negative 2x plus 3 is equal to negative 11. Subtract 3 both sides. This will be cancelled. So you have negative 2x is equal to negative 14. And I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to, divide by negative 2, x is equal to 7. Okay, so x is equal to 7. And we just plug into KL. So KL is equal to 2x plus, sorry about that. So segment KL is equal to 2x plus 3. So I'm going to plug in the value of x that I computed there. So 2 times 7 plus 3. That is KL is equal to 714 plus 3. So the measurement of KL is 17. Same with, if this is 17, then this one also, LM is also 17. Okay, now the last theorem is we have the converse of the angle bisector theorem. Converse, if the point is equidistant from two sides of the angle, then it is on the angle bisector. So in here you have BAD, then if this is the case, therefore your PAD, the measurement of PAD here, is congruent to segment angle CAD. So if this is the case, okay. So in here we are looking at, given BAD is this one, that is 4x minus 16, and CAD, oh, they are congruent based on the illustration that we have. So we can set up that the measurement of BAD is equal to the measurement of angle CAD. So you just plug it in. So we have BAD is 4x minus 16 is equal to 2x plus 8, and our target is to look for BAC. The measurement of BAC, meaning the whole BAC that we have there. So I'm going to subtract 2x both sides, subtract 2x, subtract 2x. So this will be cancelled. So you have 4, that's 2x minus 16 is equal to 8. And then I'm going to add 16 both sides. So we have 2x is equal to 24. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 12. Now from there, I'm going to use blue color. I'm going to plug it in for 4x minus 16. So 4 times 12 minus 16. So 4 times 12, that is 48 minus 16. This is equal to 32 degrees. So we can now say that the measurement of BAD, okay, the measurement of angle BAD is equal to 32. The same with the measurement of angle CAD is equal to 32. Now the problem is the measurement of BAC. So I'll just put it here. The measurement of angle BAC, because both of them are 32, so you just add them together, it will become 64 degrees. So this is our answer. So again, if it is an angle bisector, meaning it is the they are dividing the angle into two equal parts, and there are some cases that is supported by this theorem. Now, in our discussion for participation grade, I want you to answer this question. If HI is equal to 7 and IJ is equal to 7, and the measurement of angle HGI is 25, what is the measurement of IGJ? So that's your work for on this video. So make sure that you have to reply to at least two of your classmates. So that is all about your perpendicular and angle bisector. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.